So hi everyone, my name is Josep and today I'm gonna explain differences between Java and JavaScript. Both are object-oriented programming languages and they also have some commands in common, but they are also quite different. For example, the execution in Java and JavaScript is different because JavaScript is run or executed by the browser like CSS and HTML. But Java, in order to be executed, first must be compiled. First, it must be compiled into other code, which is called the intermediary code, which is called the byte code. And then this byte code is being taken by the Java virtual machine, the JVM, and this JVM compiles it into machine code, gives it to processor, and the processor then runs our Java code. In CSS in C++, for example, these steps are there are no such kind of steps. For you need to compile your code immediately into machine code and then run it. So this was the first difference. Moreover, Java is a strictly typed language, and JavaScript is a dynamic language, which means in JavaScript you can make a variable and name it, for example, and at first name a variable which is a number, then make it a string if you want, and later change as you wish. But in Java, you cannot do such kind of stuff. You need to specify which kind of variable you are making. For example, are you making a string or integer? There are different types of numbers. For example, if you want a decimal number, you can make a double. If you want a big, very big number, you can make a long, etc. So you need to first say what kind of variable you are going to make and then make your variable. But in JavaScript, there are no such kind of things. Moreover, the definition of objects in both Java and JavaScript is very different. We are already similar with the objects in JavaScript. Look here. So to make an object in JavaScript, we just write some variable, for example, constant object, the name of our variable, which is equal, and we make the curly braces and say, for example, write key value pairs. For example, type Fiat. This is the type of car. We can write instead of object just car in order to be clear. For example, like this. Then model 500 and color white. So let's forget about JavaScript and see how in Java the object definition works. So first we need to make a class and give the name of this class. The class is simply just a template and nothing more. So the template means that each aircraft should have, for example, a speed and the name. The speed is of course integer, the name is a string. Then we make this class apart from our main method, and in our main method we make so after making our template here, apart from our main method, we need to make also our object in our method. In order to make an object, we need to write aircraft, which is the name of our class, and give it a name. For example, I don't know, Apollo or any other name you want, and write that it is equal to a new aircraft, sorry, to a new aircraft, and make curly just parentheses. After this, after this step, the last step, you initialize an object, and your processor gives a memory to in order, and you may access it and use it later on. So thanks for watching.